Hi everyone! It's Dr. Panda Toto time! Today we're visiting Bip's house!
Bip!
Let's go and see what Bip is up to today!
Yay!
Hey there, Bip! Have you got plans to go anywhere or see anyone today? Looks like Bip's pretty caught up in that game. Aren't you going to answer the door, Bip? Oh, it's Olette! Hi, Olette! I thought you'd be practicing for your basketball game tomorrow. Oh, I get it. You lent your basketball to Bip. Oh, look! It's already open. Are you all right, Olette? Bip, Olette just had an accident because your house is so untidy. And how are you going to find her basketball in all this mess? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Olette? It's time for a big spring clean. Don't worry, Bip. We'll make it fun. Let's start with tidying away the toys in your living room. Can you help Bip find the toys that belong in his toy chest? Can you see his red racing car? Great! Now, can you spot the green dinosaur? Good job! Do you see the blue robot? Awesome! Now, can you spot the yellow tractor? Good job! Only one more toy to put away now. Can you find the purple princess? Great job, guys! Now all Bip's toys are tidied away. See, Bip? Tidying your house is like finding lost treasure. Thanks for helping Bip out, guys. Be sure to check out the next episode to see if Bip can find Olette's basketball. Bye for now. Bye.